Welcome back to my channel, Bright Spark. Today I'm going to show you an experiment with ice cube. I hope you guys will also like this video. Please share this video to your friends and family. To do this experiment, you need some salt, some ice cubes and a wool. First you have to put the wool on the ice cube and wait for some time. Now let's take the wool and see what will happen. Look guys, the ice is not sticking in the wool. Now you have to again put the wool on the ice cube and put some salt. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Now let's take out the wool and see what will happen now. Wow!